direction, a place to be. High on emotions, just you and me. So like the fire deep inside, it doesn't matter where we're going. We're going. Ultraviolet deep desires, I just wanna see it glowing. It's glowing, you know. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we'll stay forever young. Just hold on the line, hold on the line. These days are golden, golden, and our hearts won't be broken, broken, we're dreaming with our eyes wide open, hoping to know.
はい、皆さんこんにちは。元気ですか？ Hello everyone. So today is katakana 2. So maybe you memorized hiragana, everything, and katakana a, i, u, e, o. So after a, i, u, e, o in katakana, this is a katakana 2. Kakiku keko. Okay, so let's write down. Ka, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is ka. Katakana ka. Hiragana ka was like this. It's a little bit similar. Hiragana ka, katakana ka. So next is ki. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is katakana ki. Hiragana ki was like this. Little bit similar. This is hiragana ki. And this is katakana ki. Okay, so next is ku. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is katakana ku. So this is very different because hiragana ku was like this, and this is katakana ku. It's totally different. Okay, this is ku. So next is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is ke. Katakana ke. Okay. Katakana ko is 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. So that was kakiku keko in katakana. So with kakiku keko, what kind of vocabulary can we make? So kitchen. Kitchen. It's a little bit more modern way to say kitchen because traditional way kitchen is daidokoro is Japanese traditional vocabulary. But if you want to say a little bit more modern way, which is very common in Japan right now, is kitchen. Kitchen. So this is small too. We haven't done yet, but this is you will speak before to shortly. Ki, shortly. Ki, ki, ki. So, kitchen, kitchen. So this is kitchen. And this is cookies. Cookies in Japanese is cookie, cookie. So what is this bar? This is you will drag the vowel. Cookie, cookie. Okay, so it's cookie is cookies. Okay, and cornflakes. Cornflakes is cornflake. So this bar twice. Cornflake. So we haven't done some katakana yet, but just I wanted to show you how to make the vocabulary. So any kind of foreign things usually we write down in katakana. So it's like a kitchen or cookies. And cornflakes is we use in katakana. We make the vocabulary in katakana. So ketchup is ketchup, ketchup, ketchup. So this is cha, small ya and chi together, cha and small tsu. So which means cha, cha. So ketchup, ketchup. Kitchen, cookie, cornflake, ketchup. So how was it? カタカナ、かきくけこ。頑張りましょう。Good luck!